as you can see, I have two of them already. One built as a tall one, and two I put as a small working bench. So I decided to get another one, because I really like them. So as you can see, they're quite solid. I'm trying to shake them now. They're not moving much. It's just the noise of a shovel here. They won't break. They won't fall or anything. Pretty solid stuff. Right? Some weight on that as well. Oh. My woman wasn't able to lift them on her own. So it looks like pretty decent stuff. Only €35 or $35.99 or something like that. And I'm gonna show you now how to assemble this. It's pretty straightforward. You just have these metal bars here, short ones, long ones, and there's this little thing if you want to join them together and make a tall unit. All is very easy, just slides in, put it into the slots, use maybe some hammer to knock it down, and that's it. All you will need for this job is just maybe a knife and a hammer. I would recommend to use a soft head hammer, but I don't have one, so I just want to use this one. So I'm just gonna open this box now and show you how to do it. See, you don't even need a knife for this. Unwrap the stuff. So we have these corner stands, whatever you call them. Manual. So we have 3 shells made of, they say it's MDF, but I think it's more like a cheap board. It's really nice smell of it, like fresh wood. Really like it, really like the smell. So we have a bag with plastic stands. With this metal joining connectors to make it to a big unit, a tall unit. We also have these plugs, so this can be fixed to the wall. If you want to do really heavy stuff on it, it's still possible. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do it in my shed. Although if you have a garage or a concrete wall shed, you can fix it to the wall, and it's really strong unit there. So we have these small pieces, 2 more corners. Long ones, more corners. So 2 more shells. Altogether 5 with. We won't need this. Okay, we're taking 2 corners. And now important is, if you look at the slots here, so one end is single slot, one is double slot. So make sure the double slot always facing up. So that will allows you to join them together. If you do other way around, I think it won't be possible. You still will be able to assemble your unit, but it'll be hard to join them together because the joining connectors won't work. So all you have to do is to these one of the sides, and then this is going only one way as well. So I hope you can see it. These two notches should be facing down, and this like a shelf for your wooden shelves. It's like little edge for your wooden shelf, where the wood sits on that should be on the top as well. So that was slots facing up. All you have to do is put this in. Hope you can see it. And even by just pulling it in your hands, you're able to go as far, but you will need to use some hammer to knock it down fully. Take me to the second corner. Right, so we have one side very ready. Okay, so that was the important part. You have to decide, are you going to do the tall unit or two small units now? Because if you're doing tall unit, you have to leave these two top slots for joining connector. So your top shelf in tall units could go up to here only. So for the fourth and fifth slot. But I'm doing actually two small units, so I'm going all the way up. Okay, so we have one now assembly. As you can see, it took me about 5 minutes to do it all. You can see it's solid now. Good thing is put the stands now when you don't have your shelving fitted yet. so we have now all this ready. Now we have to put just this timber shelf. Easy like that. And this whole unit, it's stiffer even more now. Okay, so one shelf is done. I'm gonna do now the second one, okay? Okay, so we have another one built, another 5 minutes, but as you can see I have option to fit one more shelf and I'm gonna do it now, somewhere in the middle. You can choose any slots you want really, any height you want, is a good thing. So I actually, before I fit the middle shelf, before I brought all my stuff in, I checked what height I need, then I start fitting the second one. But this time I don't have any more stuff, so I just fit for now. It's always easy to remove them and change the height as well, so it's no problem with that. And that's it. Two nice shelves plus something like a working bench, €35 in Lidl, highly recommended. Lads, this is my first video ever. I was a little bit nervous, but I hope you like it. If you like it, click the like button, subscribe, I might post more videos if I see you like it. So thanks for watching and see you next time.